Now the last topic is this. Now your homework is C5H10. Just you solve C5H10. Okay, clear? C5H10 based on this topic. First you find DBE, then after how many double bond, how many triple bond, how many rings, 2 ring, 1 double bond. So this is your homework. Okay, now the next is what? There is a structure, a formula of C3H6O. So just you find out DBE. So C minus H by 2 plus N by 2 plus 1. So carbon is 3, hydrogen is 6. Just you solve and answer is 1. So 1 means 1 double bond. So 1 double bond means 1 ring. Clear? So 1 double bond means 1 ring. So there is a different type of structure. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon, 6 hydrogen and 1 double bond. Clear? And 1 oxygen. So there is a second structure. 1 double bond is there. 3 carbon, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. There is a 6 hydrogen, 3 carbon and 1 oxygen. The only double bond is there. So this is a part of alcohol. Now the next is, you know, aldehyde formula. 3 hydrogen, 2 5 and 1 6, 3 carbon and 1 oxygen. This is a part of aldehyde. You know the same general formula of aldehyde and ketone. This is the formula of ketone. There is a 3 carbon, 1 oxygen and 6 hydrogen. This is a part of ketone. And you know very well, this is a formula of ether. Oxygen in center. So 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3 carbon and 1 oxygen. Clear? So this is there is only 1 double bond. So 1 double bond means 1 ring. 1 double bond means 1 ring. So now the structure of ring 7 number. So 1 double bond means 1 ring. So this is a ring. How many carbon is there? 1, 2, 3. And how many hydrogen? 2, 4. Yeah. And the next is OH. So there is a 1 hydrogen. So just you count 1, 2, 3 carbons, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So this is only ring, not double bond. So 1 ring means 1 double bond. 1 ring means 1 double bond. Clear? Yeah. The next one is, just you count how many carbon, how many hydrogen. So there is a 1 oxygen, there is a CH2, there is a CH2, there is a CH2. Clear? Just you count 3 carbon, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. And the next one, just you count, this is 1 oxygen. Yeah, there is a 2 carbon, but 1 carbon is there. So there is a CH and there is a CH3. Just you count 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 hydrogen, 3 carbon and 1 oxygen. So these are the total how many structure? These are the 1 ring structure. How many structure are found in C3H6O? There is a 9 structure. Clear? Clear all of you? Okay, done. Okay. Clear? Now again your homework. The question is, note down the question. Draw all cyclic alcohols and cyclic ethers. Draw all cyclic alcohols and cyclic ethers with formula C4H8O. Just only write cyclic structure, cyclic alcohol, cyclic structure, not this type of structure. Clear? Okay. Now the next topic is you have done chain isomerism and position. Now the next is functional isomerism. Okay, so functional is what? Just you check. You have the notes also. So functional isomerism, same molecular formula but different functional group. Same molecular formula but different functional group. So how to check? Alcohol and ethers are the functional isomerism. So first you write down the general formula. There is a general formula C2H6O. तो देखो, there is a 2 carbons, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. There is no DBE. There is no DB. Just you find out the formula. Based on the formula, there is 0 DB. It means no double bond, no ring. So there is a 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Same as 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. The alcohol and ethers are the example of functional isomerism. Okay, clear? Now the next topic again C3H8O. C3H8O. Just you find out DBE. What is the formula? C minus H by 2 plus N by 2 plus 1. Yeah. So carbon is 3, hydrogen is 8 by 2, nitrogen is 0, 0 by 2 plus 1. So there is a 3 minus 2 4 is a 8. There is 0 and 1. So 4 minus 4 is what? 0. So there is no double bond and no ring. Clear? There is no double bond, no ring. So just you find out. So how many structures are found? There is no double bond. It means there is a 3 carbon, 1 oxygen and 1 hydrogen. Just you count 3 to 5 to 7 and 1 8. Yeah, clear? Second structure of alcohol, CS3 C. There is a OH H CS3. Just you count. There is a 3 carbon, 8 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Only 2 structures are found of alcohol. This is a part of alcohol. Now the next is, this is the alcohol. Yeah. Now the next, alcohol and ether are the functional isomerism. So CH3O CS2 CS3. There is a CS3. Just CS3O CS2 CS3. So how many carbon? 1 2 3 carbon, 8 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So structure number A, structure number B and structure number C. So A and B is what? A and B. There is a A and B is what? OH in first position and OH in second position. This is what? Position isomerism. Clear? And A and C is what? A is a alcohol group and C is a ether group. It means functional isomerism. And B and C is also a functional isomerism because there is a alcoholic group, there is a ether group. Clear? Clear? Now again your homework. The homework is C4H10O. Just you find out how many isomers are present in C4H10O. Clear? Clear 100%? Okay. Now today's topic, Zoom meeting on the basis of this video lecture. Okay? Okay.